أعوذ بالله السميع العليم من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم سبحان الله والحمد لله ولا إله إلا الله والله أكبر ولا حول ولا قوة إلا بالله العلي العظيم Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. This hadith was narrated by Hazrat Aisha radiallahu anha, the mother of the faithful believers. Al-Harith bin Hisham asked Allah's apostle, O Allah's apostle, how is the divine inspiration revealed to you? Allah's apostle said, sometimes it is revealed like the ringing of a bell. This form of inspiration is the hardest of all, and then this state passes off after I have grasped what is inspired. Sometimes the angel comes in the form of a man and talks to me, and I grasp whatever he says. Aisha radiallahu added, Verily I saw the Prophet ﷺ being inspired divinely on a very cold day, and noticed the sweat dropping from his forehead as inspiration was over. So this was the way that Nabi Pak ﷺ was used to receive the wahi. This hadith is from the Al-Sahih Al-Bukhari, and Hazrat Aisha radiallahu anha told us there was three ways in this hadith that Nabi Pak was getting the revelation from the Hazrat Jibreel alayhi salam. It was really hard when Nabi Pak was getting the revelation. It was really difficult for him, but he bared every pain and every suffering just for us. If we are Muslim, then we should be thankful to him because he suffered a lot for us. May Allah Pak make us very good Muslim and very good human being. And on the day of judgment, may Allah Pak grant us the companionship of Nabi Pak sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and may Allah Pak protect us all from the evil of the shaitan and our nafs. May Allah Pak protect us. Allah Hafiz.